Yes, Massive and crew, back once again with another video, and today we're going to talk about how to be original, how to create your own beats. For those of you who don't know, my name is Busy Bee. I'm one of the pioneers of hardcore and jungle. Now, creating original material is very important, yeah, and a lot of people just say that they're going to sort of copy something that's doing well out there, or they might look at another artist and they might just say, oh, he's doing well, this music's doing well, you know, perhaps I should make a tune like this but with my own twist. And that's all well and good, but some of the best tunes, yeah, and the ones that are smashing it are the ones that are created from scratch. Someone thinks about it, you get an idea, you've got to dig deep, you've got to dig deep into your inner thoughts, you know, go out your way to create something different that you personally like. And also, people, just touching base on that now, you could look hard for your samples, find some old retro tunes, find some old retro CDs, get some samples, put it in your sequencer, put it in your sampler, twist it up, you know, get some sounds, experiment with them, experiment with distortion, experiment with pitch shift, experiment with time stretching, experiment with, you know, lots of different ways of processing sounds. Use compression, try layering things, try doubling up things to create new sounds. All these things will help you to create new sounds. Sometimes you could just have a session where you just don't even build a tune, you just sit there just finding samples, going through your samples, getting them in your sample and twisting them up, going through, you know, synthesizers, finding patches, resampling patches and twisting them up in like Adobe Audition. You know, comment down below if you want to see me doing a video that shows you how to do something like that. You know, back in the day we used to hunt around for exclusive samples and we used to dig into the most obscure stuff, you know, like Jean-Michel Jarre for synth sounds when we didn't have a lot of synths, and we used to get that and twist it up, and hypnosis tapes, and you know, you'd be surprised, right? Somewhere where that's not even musical, you'll find a sample. You get samples from movies, you know, find a cool movie, you know, sometimes you're sitting there watching a film, have a little setup there ready to record, you know, sometimes you could be sitting there watching a film and you just suddenly hear a sample and think, right, that's a bad sample, I want to use that in a song. And so on and so forth, and that's how you do it. You get your breaks from the original sources as well, and the original retro tunes. You could build your breaks from scratch, you can get drum loops, you can speed them up. This is how you be original with your sounds. Your biggest fear is that other people won't like your music, but the most important thing to remember here is that you're making music for you first of all, yeah, and you have to like the music that you create, and then people that like your music hopefully will like it as much as you do. There's nothing to lose. If you fail, you'll learn. So just keep trying, keep on pumping tunes out there, keep on making, and try to make different stuff that hasn't been done before, or that is totally fresh sounding, not copying anyone else. If you make it yourself and it sounds like something out there but you never heard that thing before, then don't worry about it. Like me now doing this video, I think to myself, you know, will they like this? Am I making an idiot of myself? But you know what, it's better to do it and just make a mistake, learn, see what people like, see what they don't like. At the end of the day, I'm doing this with the hope that it's going to inspire someone out there and help somebody in a situation. And when you produce and you put down something that you like, you know, you get this little gut feeling, you know, that, yeah, this sounds good. You get a little vibe. It just depends on how you perceive things, but the most important thing is to play something totally original, because it's the totally original ones that do well. And when they do well, you always find that there's always hundreds of different people out there that would sort of jump on that tip, so to speak. But it's all about you being an innovator and creating your own material, because you want to find your own sound. You want to find, you know, there's nothing wrong sampling, etc., but change it up, make it different. You know, that's how, you know, I've always tried to produce. When you first start out, you copy bits and pieces, I get it, right? But you know, if you really want to find yourself as a true innovator, true original artist, yeah, the best way to go is to be totally original and create music from scratch. If you want to see more videos like this, more tips, please comment down below. And if I get to 100 likes on this video, I'll do another one like it. Take care, God bless, peace.